We have confidence, prediction, then tolerance. Okay? All right. So for tolerance interval, um, it is a statistical design limits where at least a certain proportion of the population falls for a given confidence level. So dito, we will talk about the proportion, no? Proportion. So again, confidence is mean, our mean, standard deviation, and variance. For the kanang prediction interval is the future observation, which is the x, while here is the proportion. No? So a statistical method which provides a way to cover a fixed proportion of the population with a stated confidence. So that is the tolerance interval. So the applications, controlling the manufacturing process and prediction of the parameter variation of a circuit board for new computers. So pwede itong gamitin mga kanang mga computer engineering, mga ana, no? Establishing design limits of fuel per inch of plate surface in the reactor core with respect to the nominal level. Pwede po establishing an upper limit on the number of items allowed to be missing when constructing an audit sampling plan. So these are some of the application of this interval, no, tolerance interval. So what is confidence interval versus tolerance interval? The confidence interval, so as you can see dati, no, as you remember dati, we have the bar X sample mean, and we have the lower limit and upper limit for 95% confidence interval. Okay? So, parang sinasabi mo na I am pretty sure the mean lies in here. So, ang hinahanap natin is the mean. Meaning, we are sure that 95% nandito sa loob yung true mean. No? While in tolerance interval, say for example 95%, you have this lower limit and upper limit. No, mas sobra siya ng kaunti. Mayroon siyang tolerance, kaya ang tinawag na tolerance. And ang ano mo, para mong sinasabi na I'm pretty sure a big percent of the values will fall in here. So it's not about the mean, but a percentage of a certain value. No? Yun yung tinitingnan natin sa tolerance interval. Okay? All right. So, what if you want to be 95% sure that the interval contains 95% of the values, or 90% sure that the interval contains 99% of the values? So, I hope nagigets ninyo, no, na ang tinitingnan natin sa tolerance interval is yung malaking values nandun ba sa interval. Okay? Yung pinipredict natin. So I hope, kaya nga itong statement na to, na 95% sure that the interval, yung interval na yun contains 95% of the values. Within the interval, ina-assume natin na 95% ng mga values nandun sa loob ng interval. Okay? So, or you can say 90% sure that in the interval contains 99% of the value. So, doon sa 90% na limit na interval natin, nandun yung 99% ng values na hinahanap natin. Na nakapaloob doon. So, meaning here, you may have kanang 2, makikita mo yung percentage, 90%, 99%. So, I hope hindi kayo malito kung nasaan yung confidence interval doon versus the value of the big values, no? Na nasa loob ng interval. Okay? All right. So makikita ninyo kapag nag-solve tayo ng problem, mas maiintindihan niyo siya. This question are answered by a tolerance interval. To compute or understand a tolerance interval, you have to specify 2 different percentages. Okay? So, you will be expecting na sa problem, may makikita kayong dalawang percentage. One is expresses how sure you want to be, and the other express what fraction of the values the interval will contain. Okay? All right. So, this is the formula we have the bar X plus or minus K times S. Of course, we already know what is bar X. That's the sample mean. S is the sample standard deviation. Yung K natin is what we call the tolerance interval factor. The tolerance interval factor will be located or will be found in another table. So I guess ito, wala ito nung chinek ko yung, hindi ito na-attach, no? Nung chinek ko yung workbook ninyo, wala kayong tolerance interval factor. So, sinend ko, I think, nabigyan ko kayo nito sa GC, no? So, I hope, i-ano nyo na lang yun, i-reproduce nyo na lang yan, no? I-print nyo, kasi kailangan nyo yun sa exam, okay? Alright, so, to construct a tolerance interval, we need data from a random sample. The steps to construct and interpret the tolerance interval are, number one, we will identify the given from the sample data. So, of course, kailangan natin ng given. Find the tolerance interval factor K that corresponds to the specific confidence level. So, again, dito sa interval factor K, gagamit tayo again ng table. Okay? And then we will now calculate the tolerance interval by using our katong formula nato, which is bar X plus or minus KS. No? And then we will write a sentence that interpret the estimate. So, ganito ulit yon. We estimate with blank percent confidence that at least blank percent of the values of blank, which is included again the context of the problem, is between blank and blank. Okay? So, ito lang, medyo dito ka lang mag-change parati. Alright, so that's the interpretation. Meaning yan yung final answer natin. Okay, guys? So, can I ask you, how's my background? Maingay ba or hindi?
Okay na, ma'am.
Okay ra. Sige, sige. Kasi may practice ngayon dito sa amin, so medyo maingay. Nagbabanda, hindi, sa praise and worship, nag-practice sila. Anyways, find the 99% tolerance limits that will contain 95% of the metal pieces produced by the machine. Given a sample mean diameter of 1.0056 cm and the sample standard deviation of 0.0246, we will use n is equal to 10. Alright. So, we know that our formula, isulat natin yung formula. Ito yung pinakamaiksing formula, no? Bar X plus or minus KS. So, the given, ano ba yung mga given natin? We have the sample mean. So, we have bar X is already given, 10056 cm. And sample standard deviation already given. Ang dali lang, no? Dapat ganito lang yung exam nyo, no? Our N is 10. What is K? Again, dito, K yung hahanapin natin. So, K, therefore, is, kung titingnan natin yung table, so let me present to you the table. By the way, what is 99% tolerance limit? Is it kanang, saan na siya? 99% confidence or 95% confidence? Okay. Ang 99% is the confidence while 95 is katong atong gi-estimate na mga values na naa sa limit. No? So, dapat nakikita niyo yung difference ng dalawa. Alright, so kung titingnan natin, hanapin natin yung K dito sa table. So, meron tayong tinatawag na confidence level and the percentage coverage. Okay? So, dapat din nyo yan mabaliktad. The confidence level, balik tayo doon. The confidence level is the 99%, while the coverage, itong percent coverage is the 95%. Okay? So, yan yung pagbabasihan natin using the table. So, confidence level is 99. Ito siya. While we have the 95% coverage. Okay? And our N is 10. So, titingnan na naman natin, ano ba yung katapat niya. And ang katapat niya is 4.265. So that's it. The K is 4.265. So 4.265. And then you just substitute, no? We have bar X plus or minus KS. Bar X is 1.0056 plus or minus 4.265 times 0.0246. So, ilan yung plus, ilan yung minus?
One point
1.11
eleven
ang kuan ma'am, plus ma'am.
0.9.
Sige.
0.9.
Lanoza?
Kuan ma'am sa minus ma'am kay 0.90. Anya sa plus kay wait lang ma'am.
1.11.
Kuan 1.11.
1.11. Okay. So, therefore, we can conclude that we estimate, pwede nating sabihin na we estimate with 99% confidence that at least 95% of the values of the metal pieces produced by the machine, dapat nandun yung context, no? Is between, alam yan? Biglang nakalimutan, no? 0.90 and 1.11. Between 0.90 cm and 1.11 cm. Okay? So don't forget the units. Okay? Naka-cm siya, so cm gamitin natin. Alright, that's the final answer. Alright. So let's solve another problem. Here. Uy, ba't wala yung ano? Ay, wala. Alright, a part of larger projects to study the behavior of stress skin panels, a structure component being used extensively in North America, the article time-dependent bending properties of lumber. Consider the following observation on modulus of elasticity, which is in MPa, megapascal, obtained 1 minute after loading in a certain configuration. So we have this raw data. Find the tolerance interval at confidence level of 95%, capturing at least 95% of the modulus of elasticity values for specimen of lumber. So, I will be giving you time to compute for the bar X because we need that and the S. Okay, so I will call someone after a minute to give me the values. Okay. Sino pa ba yung hindi ko natatawag? Babae naman, no? Si Miss Lanosa, meron na siyang recitation. Miss Pulgo. Miss Pulgo, please give me the bar X and S. Miss Pulgo?
Yes, ma'am.
Sige po.
Bar X is equal to 14,532.5.
14,542.5?
32, ma'am. 32.
32.
And then-
32.
And then S is
Wait
equal to
lang.
2,000.
2,000.
55.67.
55.67. Okay, thank you, Miss Pulgo. So we have 14,532.5 and 2,055.67 for S. N is, let me count the N. Pilang N? 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay? So N is 16. That's the number of the raw data. Our confidence level dito sa ating confidence level and percentage coverage. Sorry. Confidence level is 95%, right? And percent coverage is also 95%. Oh, ito, safe to kasi parehas 95. Okay, kahit magkabaliktad, okay lang. So we have 95 and 95. 95 confidence level, 95 percentage coverage. And N is 16. So yung katapat niyan is that one, no? Ito. 2.903. So that's the value of K. So therefore, for our solution, K is equal to, ilan nga yun? 2.903. 2.903. So therefore, we have bar X plus or minus KS. So this is 14,532.5 plus or minus 2.903, 2,055.67. Please give me the value for the positive plus and minus. Diba? Straight na straight. Miss Lanoza?
Kuan ma'am sa plus kay 20,500.11. Tama ba?
How about sa minus?
Kuan ma'am 8,564.89.
8,564.89?
564.89. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's it, no? 8,564.89 while 20,500.11. So therefore, sama natong ibutang diri conclusion, we what? We what? We estimate
with 95% confidence
95% confident
that at least 95% of wait, ano to?
dali.
Di na ako, wala
95%.
Wala na katong, ano mo, ang question.
Kani? 95%. Unsa man 95% of the modulus of elasticity values. Sakto ba? Ito lang, may of the modulus of the elasticity values of the modulus of the elasticity values for specimen of lumber of a lumber is between 8,564.89. What's the unit? The unit is MPA. Modulus of elasticity is MPA. MPA and 20,500.11 MPA. So that's the final answer. Very good. Okay? So I guess naintindihan nyo na no paano i-solve ang each interval. I am hoping. So madali lang yung coverage ng finals ninyo guys. This is the time that you can mabawi ang lahat-lahat. Okay?